Hello everyone, welcome to another new Python tutorial video, and today we're going to solve a new dictionary problem. It is a very interesting one because we're going to convert a list of tuple into a dictionary. If we see the examples, here we have a tuple, that is a list a number of tuples, and some of has some repetitions like a1, b2, again a3, b1, a2, c1. So we're going to convert this one to dictionary. A 1 to 3. Here why it is in a list? Because A has multiple times. Like it is 1 here, it is 3 here, it is 2 here. Since it is in a multiple times, so we have taken all its values and store in 1. Similarly, B and C. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, you can see the code has been completed and it is running properly. Now what we have done here is we have taken the list, the tuple list here, and we have taken an empty dictionary here. For key value in list 1, if key in dictionary 1, we're going to just follow this condition, else we're going to follow this condition. Initially, for key value in list 1, that is when we get a1, it is not in the new blank dictionary. That's why we're going to follow this condition. That is, we're going to insert the values inside a list, and its key value we're going to insert a new dictionary. In that way we will find a1 in a list. Secondly, when B will come, we get B2 inside a list, and then when we will get A again, we're going to go in this condition because A is already in the new dictionary list, the value of A, that is the key. So we're going to append the new value since it is already in the list, into the dictionary. That's why we're going to append its value inside the value position. That will 3 will come here. Similarly, when we get B is already in a dictionary, so we're going to append its new value inside the list position. And similarly, when C will come, C is the first time it has come into the dictionary, so we're going to follow this condition and we're going to insert the value 1 in here, and thus we can get our desired output. Hope you guys understand it. This is a very short code. If you still have any kind of problem, to comment down below, and if you like the video, do like and subscribe, and